Google search Krakow CMAT mock test series. Click on the link. You can attempt 1 free mock and 5 paid mocks in the actual exam interface. After completing the test, you get detailed solutions, analysis, percentile along with your scorecard to gauge your All India performance.
Hello everyone, welcome to Krakow video series. Today's video we will discuss the syllabus for the new section called Innovation and Entrepreneurship that is recently added in the latest exam pattern of CMAT. NTA has changed the exam pattern by adding a new section called Innovation and Entrepreneurship. The primary purpose of adding this section to the CMAT exam is to encourage the students willing to see themselves as entrepreneurs after completing their master degree. This is the latest exam pattern. As you can see, the innovation and entrepreneurship was the optional section in the previous exam pattern, but in the latest pattern, it is considered as the main section along with these sections, and it contains 20 questions and each question carries 4 marks. Total 80 marks, and the same for all the sections. So total number of questions are 100 and the maximum marks are 400. So this is about the CMAT latest exam pattern. So now what is innovation? Innovation in an organization refers to come up with a new idea, handling all the activities needed to introduce something new and implementing them. It's all about developing an idea in new and ethical ways. So now what is entrepreneurship? The process of setting up a startup or organization is known as entrepreneurship. It is a process of bringing an idea to life. An entrepreneur is an individual who creates and develops a new business idea, takes risks and implement the idea. This is all about innovation and entrepreneurship. And coming to the syllabus, there is no particular syllabus for this section. So using the previous year's question paper of this section, we made a list of most important topics that may help you crack this section. The questions that appeared last year were from GK based questions, RC based questions and other questions related to innovation and entrepreneurship. In the RC based questions, a passage was given about innovation and entrepreneurship and the questions were asked based on that, and you must definitely visit the previous papers to get an understand of the same. The link is provided below. We also provided detailed solution to this question from previous papers, and you can also enroll to our CMAT crash course which we recently launched. We have made a detailed video on how to prepare for this section including key concepts to cover, and you can enroll for just rupees 1999 and do take free CMAT mock test. This is based on the latest pattern, and the 5 mocks were providing for rupees 299 plus 1 free mock. So total we will provide 6 mocks. Now let us see some key concepts to consider while preparing for this section. These are completely related to the innovation. These are the key concepts. What is innovation management? The key aspects of innovation management, types of innovation and so on. You can also check out our article including the detailed information regarding the key concepts for innovation and entrepreneurship. The link for the article is given below in the description. You can also visit the article, and these are the key concepts regarding the entrepreneurship, definition of entrepreneurship and who is the entrepreneur, and what is a startup, state of entrepreneurship in India and so on. So these are the key concepts. You can read more and familiarize yourself with these topics and some important terms. So these are the essential concepts for both innovation and entrepreneurship, and you can refer to these topics while preparing for this section in CMAT 2022. As I mentioned before, visit our article. The link is given in the description to view detail about the essential topics in innovation and entrepreneurship. And these are some of the sample questions from previous papers of this section. You can go through the previous papers of CMAT. The link is given below in the description. As I mentioned before, the questions asked from GK based questions and RC based questions and some other questions related to innovation and entrepreneurship. So as you can see, the first question is related to GK based question. These two questions are related to entrepreneurship, and you can also see this fourth question is RC based question. They will give a passage and the questions were asked based on the passage. Thank you so much guys, and all the best for your examination.